Hello my dear friends, welcome back to infyGyan. Today in this video we are going to solve another very interesting question from algebra. Here we have to evaluate 2 plus x over y whole power 60 plus 2 plus y over x whole power 60. Let's say this expression is E and given equation is x plus y whole square equal to xy. Now we have x and y in the denominator. So we can write here x can't be 0 and y also cannot be 0. Now I will use a plus b whole square formula in our LHS. X square plus y square plus 2xy equal to xy. Take all the terms to LHS. We will get x square plus y square plus 2xy minus xy equal to 0. Now we will multiply our equation by 4 both sides. So times 4 times 4. Now we can write our equation 4x square plus 4y square plus 4xy equal to 0. Now we can subtract 3y square from both the sides. So I will write minus 3y square and this side also I will write minus 3y square. So we will get LHS 4x square, 4y square minus 3y square. This will give us plus y square only plus 4xy. And RHS we will write minus 3y square. Now LHS is one perfect square of 2x plus y and RHS is minus 3y square. Now we will divide both sides by x square. So I will write here x square, this side also x square, as x cannot be 0. So we have power 2 in the numerator, in the denominator. So I can club both the bases and write 2x plus y over x whole square over x whole square. This will be equal to 2x over x, so 2 y over x, so 2 plus y over x whole square will be our LHS and RHS is minus 3 times y square over x square, which is available here. We will write directly with power 2. Similarly, I will consider the same equation 4x square plus 4y square plus 4xy equal to 0, and this time I will subtract 3x square from both the sides. This side also minus 3x square. So we can write LHS as x square plus 4y square plus 4xy equal to minus 3x square. This time we will write LHS as 2y plus x whole square and RHS minus 3x square. Now we will divide both sides by y square. Y square. Again we have power 2 in LHS. So we can club 2y plus x over y and then we can put the whole power 2 equal to minus 3 times x square over y square. So 2y over y is 2, x over y is there, whole power is 2. RHS is minus 3 times x square over y square. Now you can see this bracket is available here. 2 plus x over y whole power 60. So we can consider power 2 and we can utilize this result. Let me write here our conclusions. 2 plus y over x whole square. This is equal to minus 3y square over x square, and 2 plus x over y whole square will be equal to 3 times x square over y square. Now I will write our expression E. This is our expression E, which we can write 2 plus x over y. I will write 60 as 2 times 30. So we can write in this manner, plus we will write 2 plus y over x whole square, and then we will put overall power 30. So that 2 times 30 is 60. Now we can utilize these two results. So here I am going to write minus 3 times, let me write minus 3 times x square over y square, and then I will put power 30, plus here I will write minus 3 times y square over x square, and then we will write power 30. Now power is even, so I can write here minus 1 power 30 common out times 3 power 30. So in the bracket we can write x square over y square whole power 30 plus y square over x square whole power 30, or we can write minus 1 power 30 will be 1, so 3 power 30. In the bracket we will write x over y whole power 60 plus y over x whole power 60. Let me write here 3 power 30 in the bracket x over y whole power 60 plus y over x whole power 60. Now point is we have to evaluate x over y. So I will write our equation x plus y whole square equal to xy again. Now we will write x square plus y square plus xy equal to 0. Now we will divide our equation by y square, both sides, as y cannot be 0. So I can write here x square over y square. I will write x over y whole square. Y square over y square 1, x y over y square we will write x over y, and RHS will be 0. So from here we will consider x over y whole square plus x over y plus 1. This is one quadratic equation in x over y. So we will apply quadratic formula and get the value of x over y directly. So I will write here x over y whole square plus x over y plus 1 equal to 0. Let me write here the value of x over y will be equal to minus b, so minus 1. The coefficient of x over y is 1. plus minus square root of 1 square minus 4 times coefficient of x over y whole square is 1, which is a. C is constant plus 1, so I will write 1 over 2 times 1, so 2. So I can write minus 1 plus minus square root of 1 minus 4 over 2. Or we will write minus 1 plus minus I times square root 3 over 2. So we will be getting two values, minus 1 plus I root 3 over 2 and minus 1 minus I root 3 over 2. So both roots are solution for cube roots of unity. So I can consider omega and omega square. This is the value of x over y. So I will write here our expression E 3 power 30 in the bracket x over y whole power 60 plus y over x whole power 60. Now I will consider x over y equal to omega. Then we can write y over x will be 1 over omega I can write, which is equal to omega square over omega cube. Now omega cube is 1, so we can write omega square. So I will write our expression E will be 3 power 30. In the bracket we can write x over y, which is omega. I am calculating for x over y equal to omega. So I will write omega power 60 plus y over x is omega square whole power 60. This will be equal to 3 power 30 in the bracket. Omega power 60 we can write omega cube whole power will be 20. And here I will write omega power 120, which will be equal to omega cube whole power 40. So I can write here 3 power 30. Omega cube is 1. So power is 20. Omega cube is 1. Power is 40. We will get 3 power 30 times 2. So our answer becomes, expression value would be 2 times 3 raised to the power 30. If I will check for x over y equal to omega square, then we will be getting the same value. E omega square will be equal to 2 times 3 raised to the power 30. I hope friends you will like this video. Thank you so very much for watching. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Bye bye till next video. Good luck. Take care.